Alright, what's going on, you guys? So today's video is going to be a review on the Rogue Echo rings. So let's get into it. So these rings come in a diameter of 1.25 inches, which I feel like is a pretty good diameter. I don't have any trouble gripping them as I'm doing exercise or anything like that, and I don't think that they're too thick either. So the straps come in a length of 16 feet, and Rogue advertises them as being weather resistant. So I don't know if wooden rings would be non-weather resistant just because they are wood. I know they do get dirty, but I don't know if they would start rotting over time. But since these are plastic, you don't have any problems with that. And since they are black, you don't have any problems with them getting dirty either. There is a little bit of chalk on it, but it's what you expect from it. So let's get into the pros and cons. For the pros, they're pretty simple. I feel like it's kind of hard to mess up rings. It's just a ring and a strap, and then the clip right here. So they're simple, but they work. They're good quality, and they feel solid. So when I first got them, when I first ordered them actually, I thought they were gonna be kind of cheap because they were plastic. But when I opened it, I heard like that little sound that they make when they hit each other, and it doesn't sound like cheap or plasticky or anything. So they do feel pretty solid, and the clamps are easy to use. So I don't really know how you would mess up the clamps, but they're pretty easy to use. I've never felt them slip or anything like that, so if you're worried about them being safe or any of that type of stuff, I would say they're pretty safe and they're pretty strong. So for the cons, I would say the only con I have about them is this Rogue logo right here. So I don't know if you can see it. So this logo actually starts peeling over time, which I don't like, because I mean in a year or so that logo is not going to be there anymore. So one thing I feel like Rogue could have done is they could have embroidered their logo into it, and I think that would have been really sick. But other than that, I don't really have any cons about it. So who would I recommend these rings to? I'd recommend these rings to someone who's already ordering off Rogue. If you're looking for something to add to the 3 ships free program, then these are a good option, because I know their wooden rings don't qualify for that program, and their steel rings don't either. If you're just trying to get some rings and you're trying to see where to get them from, then I would say just go to Amazon, because I have seen some pretty good rings on Amazon, and I think they're a little bit cheaper. I've never tried them out, but I have seen reviews on them, and everybody says they're pretty good. So one thing I did forget to mention is that Rogue actually has the Rogue logo imprinted in here too. So I think that's pretty cool as well, and they are textured, so that kind of helps with your grip strength. But like I said, if you're just looking for rings, go to Amazon. If you're already ordering off Rogue, then order them off Rogue. But that's about it for the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment what you guys want to see next, or what you guys thought about the video, and make sure to subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I drop another video. Thank you for watching.